Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another VR Vibe app review. Today we will be taking a look at HoloMaps for HoloLens by Taqtile. HoloMaps is a free app which leverages Bing to provide 3D models of over 200 cities and landmarks. Let's check it out. To get started, you simply use your gaze to position the map wherever you would like in your room. Find a good spot and tap to place. Looks like it loads up with Seattle, the city home to Microsoft, as the starting map. Let's take a look at the UI tools. You can zoom in, zoom out. I'm going to zoom in to take a closer look. You can also adjust the map. You can move it in the room, and you can make it larger. Here I'm going to scale it bigger, so I have plenty of room to play with. You can rotate the whole map. Now I'm going to zoom it back out. And you can move the map around inside the view by using tap and hold to drag. Pretty nice UI, very functional and easy to use. Let me see how far we can zoom in. I'm going to go as big as I can and check out the detail. Now the graphical quality is not great on this. You get a feel for what you're looking at, and you can see some detail, but it's nowhere near as good as some of the other 3D holograms we've seen. You can also add layers to the map. You can add in a Twitter overlay, check out the local weather, see what the current traffic looks like. To check out another city, tap on search and say, show me the name of the city you want to check out. Let's check out San Francisco. As with other HoloLens apps, at times the gestures are not recognized properly and the UI does feel a bit clunky, but I believe that's more of a device issue than this app issue. In addition to searching for cities, you can also search for buildings or landmarks. First, I search for the Empire State Building. When I zoom all the way in, you get a feel for how huge it is compared to the other models we have seen in other cities. What you're seeing in 2D is very representative of what I saw with HoloLens. The detail is not great. You do know what you're looking at, but it's not perfect. I also checked out some baseball stadiums. I started out with Citi Field, home of the New York Mets. Let me walk around and check it out. One nice feature that the app designers got right, as I walk around, the UI tool menu actually follows me around. So rather than having to go back to my starting place, I can actually pick any of the tool menus right from where I stand. That is a nice UI feature that I hope other app developers for HoloLens use as well. Up next is Yankee Stadium. From what we've seen from Google Earth VR, the detail in HoloMaps is nowhere near as good. It is a different application, and these are actually 3D holograms that are being loaded into your scene, so it's different, but it is interesting to note. And now for the famous Fenway Park with the green monster. Even without crystal clear detail, it is pretty cool to look at. How about Disney World? Here is Magic Kingdom. I'm very curious to see if over time they're able to improve the detail and the quality of the holograms while keeping the performance pretty quick and nimble. Everything loads and scales very quickly, which is nice. What happens if you pick a location that is not one of the 200 cities with 3D models available? As you can see here with Paris, you don't have 3D models, but instead you get a 2D overhead view. Definitely one of the top HoloLens apps available. You can spend hours exploring cities, landmarks, buildings, and much more. This app has a ton of use cases, and I can't wait to see how this app develops over time and how it can be used.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to VR Vibe for more virtual reality exploration.